What does clear cache mean on TikTok? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I will show you and discuss some of the things as to what does the cache files mean and how you can clear them as well. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now what happens is that you might have seen the clear cache option within the TikTok application. I will basically tell you what that means. Cache files are basically some of the temporary junk files which your application stores over the time you have installed the application, which the application also does not really need it. And even if you delete the cache files, it is not going to delete the data or any of the downloads or logins that you have on the TikTok application or any other specific application. So if you're worried about whether or not you should clear the cache, it is not anything to worry about, because you can clear the cache and it is not going to delete anything. Instead, it is going to free up some storage on your device, as well as also make the app run more smoothly. If you want to clear the cache for TikTok, so as I said earlier, just go ahead and launch the TikTok application and make sure to log into your account like this and go to your profile page from the bottom right corner. And once you come to your profile page, tap on the three lines which you see at the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three lines at the bottom of the screen, you have to go ahead and select the option called Settings and Privacy. Once you go to Settings and Privacy, you'll be able to see a list of all these options over here. But if you actually scroll down to a little bottom, you can find the option called Free Up Space. So tap on Free Up Space, and you can see the option called cache. So which means that if you want to clear cache files which is occupying up to 260 megabytes in my case, depending upon the installation and depending upon the amount of usage, this number is also going to vary. So just tap on the clear button over here and type on clear. Clearing the cache will not delete anything. However, you can see the other section called downloads. If you clear this download, any of the filters that you have downloaded, any of the effects that you have downloaded, any of the avatars, videos you've downloaded from TikTok, that is basically going to get deleted. So you can basically tap on the clear button as well, but still it is not going to log you out of your account. As you can see, I'm still logged in. There is also another way to clear cache on Android, so that is to long press on the TikTok app icon over here and tap on the I button. Once you tap on the I button, here you will scroll down to the bottom, select storage, and you can see cache files which is 88 megabytes, and you can see data which is 672 megabytes. Data means basically all of your login data, your downloading data, and so on. If you clear the data, it is going to log you out of your account and reset the application from the time when you download the other application. So if you want to clear cache files, clear it. If you want to clear data, you can see all of the application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and databases. And this is basically what clearing cache means on TikTok or any other specific app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.